Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. In today's video, I will show you how to buy coins in Slotomania. Coins are the main currency in the game, and sometimes you might want to purchase more to keep spinning and enjoying your favorite slots. First of all, open the Slotomania app on your Android or iOS device, and from the home page, go to the top of the screen and tap on the Sloto Store button. You'll then end up in the Sloto Store, where you need to tap on Coins on the left corner. Now, choose a coin package that fits your budget and gameplay needs. After you find one, go ahead and tap on the green price button at the bottom of the screen, which is different according to the package. Tap on any one and follow through the instructions. On your Android, you'll be redirected to Google Play Store payment screen. On your iOS, you'll be redirected to Apple App Store payment screen. Use your saved payment method or enter a payment method if you haven't done it yet, and once the payment is successful, the coins will be instantly appearing in your Slotomania balance. So that is how you successfully learn how you can buy coins in Slotomania. Now you can keep spinning, unlocking more slots, and enjoy the game without interruptions. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick guides and gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.